Nick here with the Best Buy blog. You just heard the Oscar Schmidt OS-LT. This is a Telecaster type of guitar, and if you know the Telecaster, you know that it's a really important guitar in the history of electric guitar. It's really present in many different styles, including rock, pop, country obviously, blues, and even jazz. Many famous guitarists use this guitar, such as Keith Richards, Bruce Springsteen, Prince, Andy Summers, and even Jimmy Page uses Telecasters, especially in the studio. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the specifications of this guitar on Oscar Schmidt's website. This happened this last time too with the Strat style guitar, but I'm assuming this fretboard is rosewood, the neck is maple. Traditionally, we have alder or ash as woods for the body, so that's what I'm assuming is behind this black coat of paint. The guitar is also available in white. You might notice that the pickup selector switch doesn't have a little button on top. I eventually found it. It's in the box. It's in the little bag that it also includes a 1/4-inch jack and an Allen key to adjust your guitar. Let's hear some more sound examples. So as you heard, this is a very versatile instrument. No matter the style of music you choose to play, this will have the perfect sound for it. The neck feels really good, it's very smooth and comfortable. When I took it out of the box, I didn't need to do any sort of adjustment. The string height was fine, intonation was good. I have to say though, when I was practicing the solo for Stairway to Heaven, all that bending would get the strings out of tune, unfortunately. It's not a big problem. A lot of expensive guitars have this problem too, and there's a lot of solutions. You can lubricate the nut, you can change the tuning keys. There's a lot of little solutions you can do, so it's not really a deal breaker. I think this guitar is really good for beginners, for people that are starting out and want to get their first electric guitar. It's also a great choice for people that already play guitar, but they want to start exploring this Telecaster universe, which is awesome. I love it. If you're looking for more information on this guitar, please go read my full review on Best Buy's blog. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.